Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Today we are going to discuss a case law on professional or medical negligence in conducting the eye camp, where the hospital, even though proved to be negligent, wanted to claim insurance from the private from the individual policies of the doctors, which is held not to be correct by the National Consumer Redressal Commission, and it was upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court of India also. The judgment says the hospital cannot claim indemnity from the insurance company basing on the individual insurance policies of the doctors who were working in the same hospital. This is the sum and substance of the judgment. How it has come. So this is more important. On 11th December 2021, two judges bench, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Honorable Justice A.S. Bopanna, while disposing the civil appeal numbers 7611 to 7634. So many people have filed the so-called appeals. Anyway, by 2021, in the case of, this is important, please, you have to know the name of the case law. In the case of Messrs. Seth M.L. Vadhuwala, Seth M.L. Vadhuwala Eye Hospital, this is located in Gujarat, versus Oriental Insurance Limited and other insurance companies, 2021. So you can read this case law like this. In this connection, the two judges bench observed that the hospital cannot claim the benefits of the insurance from the private policies, from the individual policies of the individual doctors for the professional negligence. Right. If you know the case facts, then it will be better for you to understand the problem first. So, as already told you, the case law itself shows that Messrs. Seth M.L. Vadhuwala Hospital, it is a public charitable trust running hospital located near Vadodara of Gujarat. Normally, an eye hospital authority, normally they conduct the so-called surgeries, they conduct medical eye camps like that. So during the year 2013, I believe, during year 2003, on June 21, 22 and 23, so they conducted a medical camp in and around the hospital area, and they conducted 112 cataract surgeries and other operations in the eye camp. So previously, I think, I remember I might have told you, so the medical officers, the medical camps should not be, eye camps particularly, should not be conducted in the open place because the eyes are susceptible to infection. I know there is a doctor in Markapur while working in Podli as a government officer. He participated in the eye camp, and when the people lost their vision, he was suspended from service. Of course, since he is a doctor, he is doing private practice. Another doctor from Chirala, he has paid, I think, 20 lakhs compensation to the people for failure in the cataract surgery because they should not have conducted the surgery. They should have given glasses. They should have given some prescription. They should ask them to come to the hospital and get the operation done, but not in the open place. Here it was done on 112 persons. You may be knowing what happened. The result is some of them lost their vision, some of them the eyesight was blurred, some of them got eyesore, so many defects have come. Very serious issue. So the state of Gujarat, they have actually instituted a special committee on this, state appointed a special committee, and the committee held negligence on the part of hospital on 4 counts. Number 1, the equipment is ill-equipment. The equipment is not up to the proper size or up to the proper company or up to the proper standards. Equipment is not up to the standard. Number 2, the staff were ill-trained. The staff were not properly trained. And the medicines are actually contaminated medicines they have given. Very problematic. Contaminated medicines. Then, non-sterilized appliances. Not only ill-equipment, but they were not sterilized. And the given lenses, they were also were of inferior quality. Basing on these 4 points, they held negligence on the part of the hospital. Now, the real issue comes. Please hear carefully. What happened is, 6 doctors of this Wadhuwala Eye Hospital, they have taken insurance policies against to the professional negligence. Suppose if any negligence, if the court finds a negligence, the insurance company has to indemnify them. No doubt, they also participated in this eye camp. So now, when an organization is, that is NGO, non-government organization, by name Jagruth Nagarik Trust, they filed a complaint before the District Consumer Redressal Forum. Simply we call it as Commission District Forum. The District Forum, yes, definitely held negligence on the part of the so-called hospital and awarded compensation of 1.70 lakhs per each person. Of course, returning of registration fee, some 3,000 for mental agony, all these things were there. But anyway, 1.7 lakhs was awarded to each and every candidate. But how this amount has to be paid? The insurance company, actually the hospital has to pay. But since the doctors, actually the Jagruth Nagarik Trust, they did not make the doctors as parties. Only the hospital and the insurance company, they were made as the respondents or accused in this case. Actually, in consumer case, we call them as the opposite party. But what happened is, since the affidavits were filed by the doctors that they have got so-called insurance company policies, the District Forum allowed the insurance companies or directed the insurance companies to indemnify the amount, the insured amount to these patients. Allowed. But the other insurance companies, were not agreeable. They say that if our doctor is found negligent, he has to pay. But who was found negligent? The hospital was found negligent. The staff were negligent. So this is the contention of the insurance company. Of course, District Forum, as usual, said when the hospital means it contains the doctors. Since the doctors had got the so-called insurance policy, yes, they have to pay that amount like that. Insurance company, they ordered. Ultimately, the matter went to the State Commission. Ultimately, NCDRC, National Consumer Redressal Disputes Commission, the revision was filed before them in 2014. But here, NCDRC revision, in the revision, it clearly held that the committee endorsed that the hospital was negligent. So the hospital is liable to pay. It cannot fasten the liability on the insurance company of the individual policies taken by the doctors. It is not a joint and several liability. Liability on the hospital. The hospital has to pay the insurance amount. That's all, not the doctors. Agreed by this? Definitely the insurance companies, once again, agreed by this, the hospital, ML Wadhuwala Hospital, these people came to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court also actually corroborated or held the judgment of order, we can say, given by the NCDRC. They said, Supreme Court said, we are not going to interfere because NCDRC has correctly stated that there is no joint and several liability. Liability rests with the hospital because their staff are negligent. They have supplied lenses of inferior quality. They have supplied the so-called contaminated medicines. So ultimately, the hospital cannot take the joint and several liability of the individual doctor's insurance policy. This is the sum and substance of the case. Normally we have to discuss in the professional negligence. Very good judgment. Please read it and enhance your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.